Edenlux Erie. Wellness technology company dedicated to improving vision health through innovative solutions, founded by a team of medical doctors and PhDs in optics who combine clinical insight with cutting-edge technology. Their latest product, Erie, is an AI-powered vision training device designed for the modern screen-heavy world. Unlike passive blue light filtering glasses, Erie is built for active intervention. Its core function is to exercise the ciliary muscle, the tiny ring of muscle inside the eye that controls the shape of the lens to focus on near or far objects. With a precision step motor moving in ultrafine 0.01 mm increments across 144 controlled steps, the device guides eyes through smooth focus transitions. It tracks and trains eye focus gently in just 10 minutes a day for clearer, more comfortable screen time. Paired with an AI-driven app, Erie personalizes each training session based on your unique vision data. Pickle One. Developed by California-based startup Pickle Incorporated, these AI-powered AR glasses are designed to observe, remember, and anticipate your daily life like a personal intelligence that never sleeps. Weighing just 68 grams with a sleek aluminum frame, Pickle One features the widest full-color binocular AR display available in standalone glasses today, paired with spatial audio speakers and high-definition microphones. At its core runs Pickle OS, a memory-driven operating system that continuously captures audio and visual context, organizing your experiences into searchable memory bubbles you can recall anytime. The AI doesn't wait for commands. It proactively anticipates your needs, automatically booking travel, sending messages, or surfacing suggestions before you even ask. Privacy is built in, with local hardware isolated encryption, ensuring only you control your data. ASUS ROG X Real R1. The world's first 240Hz AR gaming glasses that turn any space into your personal gaming arena. Weighing just 91 grams, these sleek glasses project a massive 171-inch virtual screen floating 4 meters in front of you, powered by dual Sony micro OLED panels running at Full HD 1080p per eye with a blazing 240Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.01 milliseconds response time. With only 3 milliseconds motion-to-photon latency, gameplay feels instantaneous and butter smooth. The built-in electrochromic lenses automatically adjust transparency based on where you look, while native 3DOF tracking lets you anchor your screen anywhere in space. Sound by Bose delivers rich spatial audio that puts you right inside the action. Connect to your ROG Ally via USB-C for instant plug-and-play, or hook up your console and PC through the included ROG control dock. Rokid AI Glasses Style, where intelligence meets everyday fashion. At just 38.5 grams, these ultralight smart glasses are built for all-day wear without the bulk of traditional tech. Crafted from flexible TR90 frames with titanium alloy hinges, they're both durable and effortlessly stylish. Inside sits a 1.2 megapixel Sony camera with electronic image stabilization, capturing crisp photos and stable 3K video from your point of view. Need to communicate globally? Real-time translation covers 89 languages, even 6 offline. Powered by ChatGPT and Gemini, your AI assistant responds to voice, touch, or even a simple nod. A dual-chip design delivers up to 12 hours of battery life, keeping you powered from morning to night. With private open-ear audio and hands-free control, the Rokid AI Glasses Style isn't just a gadget, it's your intelligent companion for modern living.
Ray Neo X3 Pro. With its innovative display technology and useful everyday functionality, the Ray Neo X3 Pro are state-of-the-art augmented reality smart glasses. However, their battery life is still a concern. The Rayneo X3 Pro's 43-inch virtual screen is as bright as real life, even in bright sunshine, with to its eye-catching 6000 nit dual-lens micro-LED display. It uses Google Gemini AI with the Snapdragon AR1 technology to provide features like real-time translation, heads-up navigation, and voice-assisted productivity tools. You may take pictures and record videos with the integrated 12MP camera, and you can use spatial app interactions made possible by the user-friendly Rayneo AI OS. Rapid translation into other languages is a lifesaver for travelers, and professionals may multitask with ease by managing their schedules or memos. Unfortunately, the glass's short battery life, typically less than an hour, restricts their usefulness for long periods of time, despite their stylish and lightweight design. When it comes to approximately $1,099, Inmo Air AR Smart Glasses. One innovative piece of wearable equipment that aims to bridge the gap between the virtual and real is the Inmo Air AR Smart Glasses. With its two full-color micro OLED displays, these spectacles offer the convenience of a portable home theater. They have speakers already installed and are compatible with apps that provide limitless entertainment, such as YouTube and TikTok. For trouble-free use, these glasses come with a quad-core processor, a high-definition 720p camera, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. The Inmo Air AR smart glasses come with an AI assistant called ChatGPT that can help you with problems and find information in real time. Their private viewing service makes sure that no one else may see what you have displayed. Outdoor pursuits like cycling and trekking are made for these with their built-in navigation capabilities. They also work as a teleprompter and can reflect the screen of an iOS or Android device. HTC Vive Eagle. With its lightweight design, 49 grams, and adjustable nose pads and ergonomic arms, the Vive Eagle is the perfect choice for all-day comfort. The open-ear stereo speakers provide clear spatial audio with bass amplification, and the Zeiss glasses give high visual clarity so users can stay aware of their surroundings without sound leaking. With a 12-megapixel camera and AI capabilities like horizon alignment, these glasses take stunning photographs and movies. The Vive Eagle is an excellent tool for international communication because it combines images with real-time AI translation. Additionally, it has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can easily pair it with your devices and enjoy music or make calls. It is designed to accompany customers on long trips thanks to its impressive 36-hour battery life. The Vive Eagle is an intelligent, fashionable, and functional smartwatch that aims to compete with Ray-Ban Meta.
Lucid Reebok. The smart glasses built for people who never stop moving. Developed through a partnership between innovative eyewear and the iconic Reebok brand, this collection blends athletic performance with cutting-edge wearable technology. Weighing just 1.2 ounces, these ultra-lightweight frames feature open-ear Bluetooth audio, AI-powered noise-cancelling microphones, and hands-free access to ChatGPT, all without blocking the world around you. A built-in smart hinge automatically powers the glasses on and off when you open or close the temples, making them effortlessly intuitive. Whether you're running, cycling, hitting the gym, or commuting through the city, Lucid Reebok keeps you connected to your music, your calls, and your AI assistant, all through a sleek pair of frames that look just like regular glasses. This is the future of eyewear, engineered for the athlete in everyone. Third Eye AR Smart Glasses. The future of work, worn right on your face. This is a standalone mixed reality wearable device with no external battery packs, wires, or processing pack. Weighing just 310 grams, it's one of the lightest mixed reality glasses on the market, built for extensive wear in even the harshest conditions. With a 4.2-degree field of view equivalent to a 9.0-inch high-definition screen at 10 feet away and stereoscopic dual 720p see-through displays running at 60 frames per second, The world around you becomes your digital workspace. Equipped with a 13 megapixel camera, thermal sensor, ambient light sensor, and 9 DOF motion tracking, these glasses see everything you see and more. From field service and healthcare to law enforcement and aerospace, Third Eye X2 empowers hands-free professionals to work smarter, safer, and faster. The future isn't coming, you're already wearing it. Nemo glasses. Lightweight AR smart glasses designed for the future of work. Paired with the Nemo Core, a pocket-sized computer no bigger than an AirPods case, Nemo transforms any environment into a fully functional, multi-screen office. Up to 6 high-fidelity virtual screens float in your field of vision, anchored to your physical space through a 3 DOF tracking system. Built on Nemo OS, the platform runs Android apps, web apps, and productivity tools, all in stunning stereo. Deep AI integration, powered by Nemo GPT, automates workflows and puts the intelligence of ChatGPT just a glance away. Ergonomic, portable, and built for all-day use, Nemo glasses aren't just a gadget, they're a paradigm shift. The laptop-free, desk-free workspace you've always imagined? It's finally here, right before your eyes. Even Reality's G2. Smart glasses that look like regular eyewear but think like a personal AI assistant. Weighing just 36 grams, the titanium and magnesium frame is significantly lighter than its predecessor, making it comfortable enough to wear all day. Instead of a camera, the G2 features a micro-LED augmented reality display that projects crisp green text directly into your line of sight, invisible to everyone around you. Features include real-time translation, a teleprompter for public speaking, turn-by-turn navigation, and smart message notifications. The standout AI mode, Conversate, listens to your conversations and quietly surfaces relevant context, background information, and real-time captions without interrupting the flow. Battery life exceeds 2 full days, and it connects via Bluetooth 5.2 to your smartphone. AI Noon AI Smart Glasses. Created by Searslab, a Y Combinator-backed AR and AI company, AI Noon looks just like a regular pair of glasses, but packed with powerful intelligence inside. Simply tap the frame, and your personal AI assistant activates, instantly translating foreign menus, identifying landmarks, and explaining what you see through a natural open-ear audio system. A built-in 12MP camera with 1080p video lets you capture every moment hands-free, while open-ear speakers and a triple microphone noise reduction system keep you connected without isolation. Weighing just 45 grams, A-Noon is comfortable enough to wear all day, and you can swap lenses for prescription or tinted options at any optical shop. Unlike most AI glasses priced between $300 and over $1,000, AI Noon is designed to be affordable and practical for everyone, not just tech enthusiasts. Qwen Glasses. Billed as the world's most advanced AI glasses, the S1 blends Alibaba's powerful Qwen AI with a crystal-clear near-eye display, transforming how you see, hear, and interact with the world. Built-in translucent displays superimpose contextual information directly onto your view of the real world, while cameras and bone conduction microphones keep you connected hands-free. A proactive AI layer surfaces, reminders, and context-aware suggestions before you even ask, using weather, location, and calendar signals to volunteer information rather than waiting for a voice trigger. Point at any object and get instant answers. Translate conversations in real time across 9 languages. Auto-generate meeting summaries, all powered by Qwen LLM. And with a swappable battery rated for 24 hours, this is AI eyewear built for all-day life, not just demos.
Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses. The Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses are a stealthy yet powerful method to engage with digital media. They blend the signature Ray-Ban design with state-of-the-art wearable technology. Users are able to access directions, translations, and messages without removing their phone thanks to the smart glasses' integrated full-color, high-resolution 600 by 600 pixel in-lens display on the right lens. They allow for natural hands-free operation when coupled with the Meta Neuro Band, which deciphers muscle impulses via electromyography. Direct access to private messaging on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, as well as live translations shown as captions, are all available to users through the lens. These glasses are more immersive than basic camera-equipped wearables because they prioritize the seamless integration of display and AI help, in contrast to past Ray-Ban Meta models.
EverySight Maverick. Smart glasses that finally look like glasses you'd actually want to wear. Weighing just 47 grams, the Maverick packs a full-color Sony Micro OLED display directly into the lens using EverySight's proprietary beam technology, projecting a vivid, daylight visible overlay right in your line of sight. With a 2.8-degree field of view, interchangeable tinted and clear visors, and an ambient light sensor, it adapts seamlessly from bright sunlight to indoor environments. The Maverick AI Pro goes even further, adding a forward-facing AI camera, on-device intelligence, and native eye tracking through gaze intent, letting you interact hands-free just by looking. An 8-hour battery keeps you powered through the entire day, while Bluetooth tethering connects to both iOS and Android. Prescription-ready and built for everyday life, the EverySight Maverick isn't a gadget.